The next generation KTM RC390 has been speed testing ahead of launch. The prototype features an overall styling revise with Moto3 inspired fairing as that of the KTM RC16. The bubble windscreen, fairing integrated single-pod LED headlights, and a sleek rear-view mirror design for improved aerodynamics. The next generation KTM RC390 is also expected to get a larger capacity 399cc single-cylinder engine compared to the current 373cc engine. The bigger displacement will result in a marginal increase in the power and torque output. Other changes include a new aluminium subframe, a billet aluminium triple clamp, a dual-fan curved radiator, redesigned swing arm, adjustable front and rear WB suspension. The ergonomics, the braking setup and the rims, remains the same as that of the current gen RC390. The new model will most likely be launched around mid of 2025.